Somebody give it to me.
To sell?
For sale.
How much do you want for it?
46.
It's too much.
How much you want?
40.
No.
41 is the top. What's your best?
45. If you want it, 45.
That's it? Only 1,000 less? I can't, my friend. 42 is my last.
Said 42.
No, 42, I find it much here.
Okay.
That's it. We
So
tried.
offer.
We tried. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you very much.
Very nice Patek Philippe. We have a lot more on our website. Here's a few that just came in. I'd love to share with you guys.